So today we're going to find out how to find the length of a string over an alphabet. In this case, our alphabet A is a set of A, B, C, D, and E. And the question is how many strings over A, length 5, end with a C, and contain at least one B or E. If you want to take a minute and just write this down. How many strings over A, length 5, end with C, and contain at least one B or E. So starting off, we know it's length 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just for the basics, it's length 5. So you're going to put a 5 here. Why? Because we had A, B, C, D, and E. Length 5, alphabet is 5. So if it had asked you what is the length, the strings over A, it'd be 5 to the 5th, which is equal to 3125. That is your most basic, the length of strings over A. Now the question says how many strings end with a C and contain at least one B or E. So we're going to do the first part, which is end with a C. So that's going to be length 5, end with a C. Now C is just one out of the 5 in the alphabet, so we're going to put a 1 here. This is only the first part, so we're going to leave everything else still with the 5. So that's 5 to the 4th. Now the next part is contain at least one B or C. Once again, still length 5. We have a 1 over here because it's still ending in a C. Now it's a B or an E. And that is going to be 3. So you basically subtract 2 from your 5 because you have a B or an E, which you get 3 to the 4th. Now to get your answer, you do 5 to the 4th minus 3 to the 4th, which is 3,125 minus 81, and you get 3,044. Give me 1 second, just make sure I did my math right. Yep, 3,044. So here's another example. We still have the same alphabet, A, B, C, D, and E. How many strings over A, length 5, end with C, and contain at least one B and one C? If you recall, our other problem was A or C. Once again, we have our original case. If they ask a string over alphabet H, it's 5 to the 5th. Now you don't actually do any calculations with this first part. This is just to give you an idea. So you can just write that for your own notes. 5 to the 5th. So we have length 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End with the C, case 1. So you have 1 over here. C is only 1 out of all of them. It ends with a specific alphabet, which is C. The rest are still 5. So you have, once again, 5 to the 4th. Next one is contain at least one B. We're going to do, since this is a 1B and 1C, we're going to do them one at a time. So you have, once again, 5 ending in a 1. Now, if you take a B away from the alphabet, you're left with 4 for all of them. So you have 4 to the 4th. Once again, we have a length of 5. Your next step ends with the C. Now we're doing E. Excuse me, this first one, where we took away the B. This one we're going to take away the C. And once again, when you take the C away from your original set A, B, C, D, and E, you're left with 4. So you have 4 to the 4th again. Now you have to add something back. Once again, it ends in a 1. Now we took away a B from this first one over here, and a C from over here. We took 1 too many, so we have to add back 3 over here. Whenever you see the word at least, you know you're going to do subtraction. You're going to subtract something for sure. When you have at least one A and one B, you're going to subtract the set of language of just B and E, and you're going to add something back. So our answer is 5 to the 4th minus 4 to the 4th minus 4 to the 4th. And we're going to add this plus 3 to the 4th. Your answer is 2,694. And that is your answer. If you have any comments or questions, please, message me, like and subscribe for more videos. Just comment them and I'll definitely give you some feedback. Thanks for watching.